Is the black kit, just screwed in 4 screws. Mount on the rack. Got it mounted on the rack. So we're using this kind of screw. So this screw has another end. So those screw together. So this screw the switch in. Then I'm using the cable, the jumper cable. Connect all the data port to the switch. Okay, thanks. Address for this. When you initial set up IP address for this device, you need to hold this mode button. So when you hold this button, the light will flash in and stay as all green. Okay, all green. Then you can plug into your laptop. Your laptop will get an IP address, and then when you connect to 10.0.01, you will be able to log in with the default password Cisco to configure. But since I have configured already, so it cannot stay as all green. So I already configured IP address for it.